by way of EFT today, and the balance can be transferred or bank check early next week. Buyers, settlement will occur, and that will occur in 30, 60 or 90 days from today's date. So there's plenty of flexibility there for you if you're thinking, gee whiz, I need to get this set up into a self-managed super fund or whatever it might be, that you'll have plenty of time to be able to do that throughout the course of that settlement process, given that we have that flexibility of 30 days right the way through to 90 days for that settlement period. Buyers, forming part of the contract of sale and attached to it the vendor's statement or Section 32 document outlines all the relevant council zoning and planning information. It contains copies of both of those lease agreements, spelling out those schedules of leases, of course, to both the tenants downstairs and upstairs. And they have been on display for you. Of course, we have electronically sent those through, copies of those contracts through to our interested parties. Buyers, I must advise you by law that today's auction shall be conducted in accordance with those laws set out in Schedule 1 of the Sale of Land Regulations and any additional information that was made available prior to the commencement of today's auction. Those rules permit the making of vendor bids by me as the auctioneer. During the auction, I'll clearly state the words vendor bid. If I take a bid on behalf of the vendor, I'll indicate bidders upon request. There has been a reserve price set for the property, and I'll declare the property on the market once we achieve that reserve price. Buyers, I also must advise you that the law prohibits false bids and bidders preventing others from bidding, and there are fines for this conduct. Lastly, and most importantly, buyers, whether we are online on this fantastic platform or whether we are on site, the law states very, very clearly that I cannot accept a late bid or offer for the property after it's been declared sold. So, with that in mind, I need to remind you, if your strategy is to leave it to the very last moment, you may miss out. I can assure you my high-speed NBN is working perfectly at this end, but I don't know where you are and I don't know what sort of connection you have. And if your strategy is to leave it to that very last second, buyers, I can assure you, you may miss out. And I again remind you, don't let that be your bidding technique to leave it to the very last moment, because once I've declared it sold, buyers, it is exactly that. It is sold. A late bid coming into the text box simply will have to be ignored by law, not by me, but by law. Once it's sold, buyers. What a great opportunity. I tell you what, the resurgence of strip shopping centres like this are certainly increasing, particularly from an investor point of view. When we have a look at the combined return between upstairs and downstairs of some $73,600. Buyers, that rental amount of $73,600 is almost equally split between upstairs and down. Of course, upstairs, we've got the massage therapy there locked in for a 3-year term and options there together with increases annually that shall occur. And then not to mention, of course, an essential business downstairs being that grocery store or supermarket there, trading very, very well right now under that banner of essential services. But you know what? Position's perfect. It gets no better. It's directly adjacent and across the road here from the Murrumbeena train station. An abundance of car parking means that your customers and clientele for those businesses that are there are assured parking, being able to obviously secure those car parking spaces there along Neerim Road. But buyers, as an investor, whether you're here today looking at this as a self-managed super fund or just simply as a set and forget investment, $73,600 comes in annually. Great lease terms, of course, as I say, 3 years on both upstairs and downstairs, that essential business downstairs. And we have great terms here as far as that flexibility, 30 days through to 90 days. I think buyers, if you're smart in the market and you've been having a look around at some of these great investments that have been in the retail precincts and these strip shopping centres in some of these surrounding suburbs, you'll see some investors quite comfortable to see returns in that 4 to 5% range. But buyers, we've got a very realistic reserve price set today. Our owner's instructions are to sell to the highest bidder. To whom and for how much, we find out in just a few moments' time. Buyers, it's now that time. I invite you to the text box to type away your opening bid or offer and your paddle or bidder number. Buyers, what do we say? I'm in your hands. A bid or offer to start to get us underway, perfectly located, adjacent to the Murrumbeena train station, 2 great tenants in play, ready for your buying and set and forget type of investment, whether it's to invest on your own or in a self-managed super fund. It gets no better. Buyers, I'm in your hands. A bid, an opening offer. Start me where you like. To the text box is where I invite you now. That opening bid or offer. Luck favours the brave, and we are here to sell today, buyers. What do we say an opening bid or offer to get us underway? This platform has been super successful for both our residential and our commercial auctions. So have no fear. Jump straight in, type your bid or offer to get us underway. An opening bid, buyers, I'm in your hands. Start me where you will. I know Ben and his team and Ryan are on the phone, Danny on the phone also. I know to prospective purchasers, we've got 10 groups that are registered here and online watching at the moment, buyers. We need to see an opening bid or offer if you'd like to get us underway today. What do we say, buyers? An opening bid, something to get us underway. Can I suggest maybe something around that 1, 2.5, 1 1/4 maybe to get us going, buyers? What do we say? I'm in your hands, an opening bid or offer. If it's easier and you'd like to unmute your microphone, you're welcome to do that also to get an opening bid or offer underway. Text box or unmute your microphone, buyers. What do we say? An opening bid or offer to start to get us underway. I'm in your hands. A little bit light on, but there we go. Paddle number 9, welcome and good luck to you. $1,180,000 bid and away we go. Who's going to make it 1,200,000 even money? At 1,180,000 it is. At 1,180,000. At 1.18's the call. Who's going to take me to 1.2 now? At 1,180,000, you can see the number there on the screen. That's the number to beat, buyers. 20's the rise from here if you'd like it. At 1,180,000, calling for a $20,000 bid from here at 1,180,000. At 1,180,000, who's going to make it 1.2 even? At 1,180,000 it is. At 1,180,000, who's going to make it 1.2 now? Bill, welcome to you, bidder number 1. At 1,200,000's the call. It's against you, bidder number 9. At 1,200,000's the call. At 1,200,000 it is. Who's going to make it 220 now? At 1,220,000, can I call it now? 1,220,000, it's against you, bidder number 9. It's with you at paddle number 1. At $1,200,000 bid here at 1,200,000. At 1 and 2's the bid. What do we say at 220? Can I call it? At 1,200,000's the offer. At
1,220,000.
How much?
1,220,000.
Excellent. And your bidder number, please.
Paddler 2.
Number 2, welcome to you and good luck today. Bidder number 2, it's your bid at 1,220,000. At 1,220,000 against paddle 1 and against bidder number 9. At 1,220,000 it is. Paddle number 2, it's your bid. At 1,220,000's the bid. At 1,220,000, who's going to make it 240 or better bid? At 1,220,000. At 1,220,000, thanks Andrew for updating that. Paddle number 2, it's your bid. At 1,220,000, who's going to make it 40? At 1,220,000's the bid, buyers. What do we say from here for a $20,000 rise? At 1,220,000's the call. At 1,220,000, can I call it 40? At 1,220,000 it is. 40, can I call? At 1,220,000 it is. Bidder number 9, bidder number 1, bidding is against you. Bidder is with number 2 there. At 1,220,000. At 1,220,000 it is. Who's going to make it 40? At 1,220,000 it is. At 1,220,000, who's going to make it 40 now? At 40, can I call it anywhere, buyers? Need to know. Here we go. Quickly now. 1,220,000. At 1,220,000 it is. Who's going to make it 40? Against you, paddle 9. Against you, paddle 1. At 1,220,000 it is. At 1,220,000. At 1,220,000's the call. Who's going to make it 40? At 1,220,000 it is. Can I offer it back to you? Danny, are you on the phone with bidder number 9? At 1,220,000 or Bill, can I welcome you back? Bidder number 1 bids at 1,220,000. At 1,220,000, who's going to make it 40? At 1,220,000 it is, buyers. At 40 now. At 40 it is. Paddle number 2, it's against you. Do we go 60? At 1,240,000 is the bid. At 1,240,000, can I call it 60 now? At 1,240,000 is the bid. Looking for a 60 bid now. At 1,240,000, or maybe we go straight to 1.3. Haven't heard from you, paddle number 1, for a while. It's your bid now. Paddle number 9 at 1,240,000. 1,240,000 is the bid. At 1,240,000, who's going to make it 60 now? At 1,240,000 it is. At 1,240,000, calling for the 60 bid from here. What do we say, buyers? You're done, surely not. At 1,240,000. At 1,240,000, what a great return on investment it would be at that price. Buyers haven't seen anything like it since 2011 or 12. Buyers, what do we say from here? Here we go. 1,240,000 it is, buyers. Need to see a 60 bid from here. In we go. Thank you. Bid the number 1. You're back in front at 60. What do we say to that? Number 9, are we straight back at 80? 80 is the bid from here if you'd like it, buyers, or paddle number 2. I'm happy to see bidding from you if you like the bids at 1,260,000. 1,260,000. Who's going to make it 80 now? Bidder number 9. What do we say? 1,260,000 it is. 1,260,000 is the bid at 1,260,000. Who's going to make it 80 now? 1,260,000 is the call at 1,260,000. 1,260,000 against you, paddle number 9. What do we say from here against you, paddle number 2? 1,260,000, 80 now, straight back in front. Bidder number 9. Strong bidding is the way to buy real estate in this market. 1,280,000, bidder number 1. Can I welcome you at 1,300,000 even money? Perhaps the number we should have started at. At 1,280,000 it is. Who's going to make it 1,300,000 even? Bidder number 1, bidder number 2. What do we say from here? It's bidder number 9's bid at this stage at 1,280,000. At 1,280,000, who's going to call it 1,300,000? At 1,280,000 is the call at 1,280,000. Can I call it 1.3 now? At 1,280,000 is the bid, buyers. What do we say from here at 1,280,000? At 1,280,000, who's going to make it 3? At 1,300,000, can I call it now? Bidder number 2. I haven't heard from you for a while. What do we say?
1.3 million.
Good bidding. 1,300,000. At 1,300,000 it is, and who's going to make it 20 on top? Bidder number 90 is straight back. At 1,300,000 it is at 1,300,000. At 1,300,000, bidder number 2, it's your bid at 1,300,000. At 1,300,000 it is. Paddle number 9, what do we say from here? Paddle number 1, what do we say from here? At 1,300,000. Can I call it 20 on top at 1,320,000? At 1,300,000. At 1,300,000 even money, can I call it 1,320,000 now? At 1,300,000 it is. Buyers need to see a $20,000 bid from here to stay in. At 1,300,000 it is. Paddle number 9, can I see you straight back? At 1,300,000. At 1,300,000, and do we go 320 now? Bidder number 9, what do we say? Bidder number 1, where do we go? At 1,300,000. At 1,300,000 is the bid. Can I call it 1,320,000 now? Buyers, here we go. First call and away we go. Then at 1,300,000, are we done? At 1,300,000, I call for a $20,000 rise from here. Buyers need to know, are we in or out? At 1,300,000. At 1,300,000 and calling for 20 from here. What do we say, buyers? Bidder number 9, can I welcome you back? At 1,300,000. At 1,300,000, what do we say from here? Bidder number 9, it's against you. At 1,300,000, pressure's on, I know, buyers. What do we say? At 1,320,000, do we go from here? At 1,320,000, can I call it now? First call here, 1,300,000. Won't take the 10. I won't take the 10. The bid's 20 if you'd like it now. Confirm for me, please. 20's the call. 1,320,000 it is. I won't take the 10 there. Bidder number 9. You need to confirm with me now. 1,320,000. 1,320,000 is the call if you'd like it. Bidder number 9. Direct conversation with you. Not taking 10 at this stage. 1,300,000. You'd need to come in at 320 from here. The bid is still with bidder number 2. And it's your bid at 1,300,000. 1,300,000 is the call. Paddle number 9. Can I get a direct response from you, please? $1,320,000 I'd need. Paddle number 9, it's not your bid. I'm not holding the highest bid with you at this stage. I'm not taking the 10. 10's not available at this stage, buyers. I'll let you know when it is. 1,320,000 is the bid if you'd like it. Paddle number 9. Danny, can I ask you to get a response, please, from paddle number 9? Bids 1,300,000 at the moment. 1,300,000. Thank you. There we go. Paddle number 9 back in front at 320. And it's against you. Do we go to 40 from here? 40 is the bid if you'd like it. 1,320,000 it is. Calling for a 40 bid from here. 1,320,000 is the bid. Calling for 40 from here if you'd like it. At 1,320,000, the screen will update in a moment, buyers. Just be patient for that. At 1,320,000 is the call. At 1,320,000, Bill, I haven't forgotten about you. Bidder number 1, the bid is also against you. The bid is here now at 1,320,000. At 1,320,000 it is now. 1,320,000, where do we go from here? Or maybe we go straight to 1,350,000. And can I welcome you back? What do we say there? Bidder number 2, the bid's at 1,320,000. 40's the bid if you'd like it. 1,320,000. Call me to 40 and what do we say from here? Bidder number 2, what do we say? Are we done? At 1,320,000 it is. Bill, happy to see you back. Bidder number 1, happy to see you back from here if you like. 1,340,000 if you like from here. Buyers, this is a super return on investment at this sort of level. As I said, we've certainly seen some of these strip shops now selling in that 4 to 5% range. We're well above 5% as an investment at this stage, buyers. What a great buying opportunity it is for you to be here and now. $73,600 in rent on offer, flexible settlement terms, 30, 60 or 90 days, buyers. Bids 1,320,000. Looking for a 40 bid from here, 1,320,000 it is at 1,320,000. At 1,320,000 it is at 1,320,000. At 1,320,000, and I've just had confirmation I can take $10,000 bids from here. At 1,320,000, can I welcome you in, Anand or Bill, for 10? 10 on top if you like from here. That's all we ask. At 1,320,000, we're close buyers. What do we say? Bidding is here. Bidder number 9. At 1,320,000. At 1,320,000, and away we go, buyers. I'll call it 3 times before we go. Are you done? At 1,320,000, bidder number 9, it's your bid at this stage. At 1,320,000, and I'm happy to take a $10,000 bid from here. At 1,320,000, what do we say, buyers? Don't miss the opportunity for 10. First call, here we go. I'd need to know, buyers. At 1,320,000. Second call, need to know, are we done? Are we out? Are we finished? Bill, have I seen your best offer? If you're out, can you type the word in?
1,330,000.
133 now. 1,330,000 now. Welcome back. Bidder number 2, 1,330,000 is the bid. At 1,330,000 it is. Bill, I haven't heard from you, bidder number 1, for some time now. What do we say? Happy to take a $10,000 rise from here. 1,330,000 it is at 1,330,000. At 1,330,000 is the call against you, bidder number 9. At $1,330,000, bidder number 9 against you, bidder number 1 against you also. At $1,330,000, bidder number 2, your bid at this stage. At $1,330,000. At $1,330,000 is the call, buyers. Where do we go from here for a $10,000 rise if you like? At $1,330,000 is the call then. Bidder number 1, haven't heard from you for some time. If you are out, could you type that please into the text box? Just the word out. The same for bidder number 9. If we have had your last bid, to save me continuing to ask you through the computer screen here, if you are out, can I get you just to type the word into the text box that you're out? If I haven't seen that word out, then Bill, of course, I can only assume that you're still interested and still involved at the current price point. At $1,330,000, what do we say? Bidder number 1, are we done? Bidder number 9, are we out? 1,330,000. 40 now, Bill's back there. Bidder number 1, your bid, 1,340,000 now. Against you there, paddle number 2, what do we say? Bids at 340. At 340 over a million's the number, the beat. What do we say from here for a $10,000 rise? Bidder number 2, are we straight back in on top? Do we go to 50 from here? 1,340,000 it is. Against you, paddle number 2, and it's not your bid at this stage. It's bidder number 1. Bidder number 1 at 1,340,000. Do we go straight back in at 50? $1,340,000 only. What do we say, buyers? Against you, bidder number 2. Against you, bidder number 9. Need to know. Your bid, bidder number 1. 1,340,000 buyers. I said at the beginning I'd call it 3 times and 3 times only. Here we go. First call, don't miss the opportunity. Bidder number 1, your bid at this stage at 1,340,000. Second call, need to know now, buyers, are we done? 1,340,000. If you are out, please type the word in out into the text box. Bidder number 1, it's your bid. Bidder number 2, and it's against you. Third and final call.
1,350.
1,350. Thank you. 1,350,000. Bill straight back in at 60. Do we go? 60. Do we go straight back in? A strong bid's a good bid. Bids at 350. 350 is the number. 1,350,000. Bidder number 2. It's yours at this stage at 1,350,000. At 1,350,000, what do we say? Paddle number 1, bidder number 1. Where do we go from here? 10 on top if you like. 1,350,000. At 1,350,000 it is. 1,350,000 is the number to beat. Number 9, I haven't heard from you for a while. What do we say now? At 1,350,000 it is. At 1,350,000, calling just for 10 at this stage. At 1,350,000 it is. Who's going to make it 60 now? At 1,350,000 and away we go. Buyer's first call. 1,350,000. Bidder number 2. Your bid at this stage. 1,350,000 called then. Second call, are we done? 1,350,000 it is. Paddle number 9, it's against you. Paddle number 1, against you also. Here we go then. Third and final call. Paddle number 1's back at 60 now. Straight back if you like. Paddle number 2. Bids at 60. Do we go 70? Bids at 60 now. 60 it is. Back with you. Paddle number 1. Paddle number 1, bidder number 1, your bid. 1,360,000 is the number to beat. Buyers. What do we say for an easy $10,000 rise on top? At 1,360,000. Bidder number 9, I haven't heard from you for a while. If you're out, could you please type that in to the text box and just help me confirm the situation? At 1,360,000 is the bid. Number 1, it's your bid, your property negotiation at this stage in your favour. First call, here we go, buyers. What do we say? 1,360,000. And then do we go again for 10? Are we done? Second call, need to know, buyers. Here we go. Paddle number 1. Your bid at this stage, 1,360,000. Third and final call, buyers. Are we done, finished and silent? Need to know, are we out? Bidder number 1, your bid at this stage. Here at 1,360,000. Do we go again for 10? Bidder number 2. Do we go 10 on top? And what do we do from here? You tell me. I'm on the third and final call. I need to know. The shake of the head probably indicates to me that you're out. Is this the case? What about if we took 5 from here? Unmute your microphone if you're trying to talk to me, please. Can't hear you there.
Yeah.
1,300,000.
How long the settlement?
30, 60 or 90 days. We can't be more flexible than that. And have a look at the return on your investment here.
Yeah, understood. And just a last question. That's
Sure.
an unconditional offer, yeah?
Yeah, absolutely. We're selling under auction conditions. No cooling off period, unconditionally, and away we go. One, 1,360,000. Bids 1,360,000. Number 1.
Damien,
Yes.
Damien, for example, if the bank said finance is not approved, then what will be happening in auction?
Well, you're committed to purchase today under auction conditions unconditionally, as I've explained already, Anand. So the bid is 100% bona fide. It's a cash sale today. You should know at this stage, if you're bidding at auction, whether it's residential or whether it's commercial, whether or not you're in a position to be able to get that finance. And we can only assume that you have done that homework. And I would assume that you are in a position to be able to purchase. In any event, buyers, we're here. Bidder number 1, in fairness to you, it's your bid and offer at 1,360,000. And then you know the terms, you know the settlement, you know it's unconditional. Do we see you in for another bid? Looks like we might have lost an hand. There we go. Bill, your bid, 1,360,000. And away we go. Bidder number 9. What do we say from here? Do we come back in for a little 5,000 on top? Bidding now, 1,360,000 it is. First call, your bid there, 1,360,000. Bidder number 1. Second call, need to know, paddle number 9 or any of our to be able to purchase. I see that we've got an and back. But I need to know now, are you in or are you out? Third and final call, let's hear 1,360,000, bidder number one. And then can I see you back in for a $5,000 rise? We're done, finished and silent. Well, ladies and gentlemen, in fairness to our owners, I've said that I'll pause the auction momentarily while we seek their instructions as to whether or not we're yet at a price that is acceptable. Bill, it's your bid, paddle number one, 1,360,000. I'm going to ask for your patience just for a few moments while we make contact with our vendor and seek their confirmation. I'd ask for your patience. Please don't log off. Thank you.
Bill.
Andrew, I would ask if you could keep all microphones paused at this stage while we seek confirmation with our vendors, please. Keep your microphones muted, please. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your patience. Never an easy decision for a home seller or for a property owner at this point in time. Let me just grab my glasses so that I can read that text box so that I'm back and in tune. I see that one of our bidders has gone mobile. He's in the car. Welcome back to you. Buyers, let me confirm for you this. A number of points that I want to make. Bidding today at auction is an unconditional cash contract, no subject to finance. You need to have known that you can get your finance in place within that 30, 60 or 90 days. Bill, paddle number one, it's your bid and your property to negotiate on if there is no higher bid. 1,360,000 is where we reopen the bidding. Anand, can I say to you directly, if you are willing to bid from here, you need to be fully aware it's a bid that is unconditional.
Fully aware. I've spoken with the banker.
You've spoken to the bank and they've said go to 1.5 million. Fantastic. Buyers, let me reopen the bidding. I invite your bidding now. And if you'd like to come in for a $10,000 rise, now's your opportunity, buyers. Do we go again for 10, Anand?
No, not me.
Okay. I'd ask you then, could you please mute your microphone if you have finished bidding? Thank you for that. 1,360,000. Bidder number 8. In you come at 370. Welcome to you. At 1,370,000. Bidder number 8. There's new bidding. At 1,370,000. Buyers, let me make it very clear. That's the number in which we can put the property on the market and we are selling away. You'll see the numbers on the screen turn to green. Buyers, as we indicate, we are on the market and we are selling now to the highest bidder. It will be you, Chen, bidder number 8. Will it be the one and only bid that comes in to be able to purchase today? Bidder number 1, let me ask you, do we go again? Do we go again for a $10,000 rise? You've heard quite clearly that bidder number 2 is out. We also have heard quite clearly that bidder number 9 is out. So it looks like at this stage, it comes down to bidder number 8 and bidder number 1 at this point in time. We're selling now 482 Neerim Road in Murrumbeena. It is on the market and bidding now for your competition and for your ownership. Buyers at 1,370,000. What do we say from here? Bidder number 1. At 1,370,000 it is. Bear in mind, please, if you're bidding from here, let me make it extremely clear. We are on the market. We sell away to the highest bidder from here at 1,370,000. Bill, do we go again at 80? 1,370,000 it is, buyers. Here we go then. First call before we sell it. Are we done? Happy to see fresh bidding from anywhere. Will it be the one and only bid from number 8 that buys it today at 1,370,000? Second call, 1,375,000, and we're back there now. It's against you, paddle number 8. 1,375,000 it is. Bidder number 1, your property at this stage, we sell away to you if there is no higher bid. At 1,375,000 is the call at 1,375,000. At 1,375,000, bidder number 8, do we come in at 380? At 1,375,000, the bid's 5 on top if you like. At 1,380,000 it is now, bidder number 8, it's your bid. At 1,380,000 is the call at 1,380,000, bidder number 1, it's against you. Strong bidding here now from bidder number 8. At 1,380,000. 1,380,000, bidder number 1, it's against you, Bill. It's not your bid. It's there at bidder number 8 at 1,380,000. At 1,380,000, I'm still happy to take the 5 if it helps, or we can go straight to 1.4 for the knockout bid. Buyers, you've done your sums. You know the investment opportunity. You know the return on investment here is well north of 5%. It's great buying at this sort of price, buyers. At 1,380,000 is the call. 1,380,000, Bill, it's against you at 1,380,000. At 1,380,000, it looks like it's just down to the 2 of you now. Who wants it the most? At 1,380,000, do we go 385? At 1,380,000 now, 1,380,000 is the call. Bidder number 1, where do we go from here? 1,380,000, bidder number 8, it's your bid, your property at this stage. Here we go. What do we say from here? Bidder number 1, are we done? Bill, can I ask a favour? If you're out, can you type the word out into the text box just so that I'm clear? 385 it is. Thank you. At 385. 385 is the number to beat. 390. Chen, if you'd like it back, bidder number 8. Your bid, if you like it, 390. At 390, or do we go the knockout bid straight to 1.4? That's the way I'd buy real estate in this market for sure. At 1,385,000 it is. At 1,385,000, where do we go from here? Bidder number 8. Do we come back in at 90? Bids at 1,385 now at 1,385,000. 385 over a million it is. At 1,385,000, where do we go from here? What do we say? Paddle number 8 for a $5,000 bid from here. Bidder number 8, the bid's against you. At 1,385,000 it is. At 1,385,000, bidder number 8, can we see you back for a $5,000 rise from here? At $1,385,000 bid here at 1,385,000. It's your bid, bidder number 1 at this stage. Your property, we sell it away to you. Bidder number 8, if you're out, can you type the word in out into the text box just so that we're all clear? At 1,385,000, we sell away. If there's no higher bid, don't leave it to that last minute. As I said, I can't accept a late bid once it's in the text box. After I've declared it sold, I can't be clearer than that. 1,388,000 it is. Maybe we go to 90. What do we say from here, Bill? Or do we go straight to 1.4? 390 now. 1,390,000 it is. Bidder number 1, your bid. 390 is the call. 1,390,000. 1,390,000. Where do we go from here? Bidder number 8. 1,390,000 is the call at 1,390,000 it is. At 1,390,000 is the bid at 1,390,000 at 1,390,000. 1,390,000. I think we're going to get to 1.4 anyway. Why don't we go there together? At 1,390,000 now at 1,390,000. Bidder number 8, it's against you. Where do we go from here? Happy to see a $2,500 bid if you like, or even a $5,000 bid from here. At 1,390,000 is the call at 1,390,000. At 1,390,000, number one, it's your bid, and we sell to you if there is no higher bid or offer. Here we go, buyers need to know now. Bidder number 8, are you done? If you're out, bidder number 8, just type it in. I'd also ask bidder number 1, once you're out, please type the word in, out, so that we're very clear on your instructions. That way we don't run the risk of upsetting anyone once we knock the property down and sold. It's here now, 1,390,000. First call before we sell, are we done? $1,390,000 we sell away. Second call, are we done, finished? Third and final call, I'd need to know now, we're selling. Are we done? Are we finished? Are we silent? Bidder number 8, I need to know, 92. 92 it is. 92 is the bid. Bidder number 1, it's against you. Do we go to 1.4? 1,000,004, can I call it now? At 1,392,000 it is. 1,392,000, the screen will update. It just has. There we go, buyers. 93, we roll in thousands. Buyers, we're going to get to 1.4. I bet we do. At 1,393,000 is the offer. 94. Buyers, I'm happy to do this. I'm happy to stay in $1,000 bids, but we need to continue the momentum and rolling with those fairly rapidly, or you need to head to the text box and let me know that you are out. Bidder number 8, what do we do from here? 393 is the bid. The screen will update in a minute. Bidder number 1, it's your bid at 393. 393 is the bid. 1,393,000. 395 now. Bill, take me to 1.4. 1.4 it is. Good bidding at 1,000,004. Where do we go from here? Bidder number 8. Yep, 1,000,004 is the call at 1,000,004. That's why everyone knows it's great buying at this price. Yep, 1,000,004. Do we go 405? Yep, 1,000,004 it is. Don't worry about the ones. They haven't been working. Let's go 1,000,405. At 1,000,004 is the bid. What do we say from here? Bidder number 8. Are we done? Yep, 1,000,004. At 1,000,004 we sell away. If there's no higher bid, 1,000,004 and away we go. At 1,000,004 it is. Buyers, are we done at 1,000,004? Bidder number 8, I'd need to know now. Yep, 1,000,004 is the call at 1,000,004. Paddle number 1, because I sense that bidder number 8's going to come. At 1,000,004 is the way to buy real estate. We say from here, buyers at 1,000,004 even money. Paddle number 8, if you're out, can you type it into the text box for me, please? 1,000,004 it is, and we sell away at 1,000,004. Are we done, buyers at 1,000,004? First call selling now. Bidder number 8, I won't accept a late bid. Twice then. As I said, my internet speed's fantastic, but if yours at the other end isn't, you're going to miss the property, and it's now. Third and final call, we sell away to you. Paddle number 1. If there is no higher bid. Are we done, finished and silent? I'm on the third and final call before we sell. Bidder number 8, Chen, can I ask, please? If you are out, please type the word into the text box so that I can sell the property now to bidder number 1. Out, I need to hear now from you and your bid, because we are selling on the third call now. $1,400,000 it is. 1,004,000 even money. Paddle number 8, are you done? Can I ask, please, can you type the word out into the text box? Bidder number 8, need to know. It's now been a total of 3 minutes since you've placed your offer. Are we done? In fairness to bidder number 1. Are we done, finished and silent before we sell? I won't accept the late bid. Here we go. In fairness, I've had no response. 3 minutes now from bidder number 8. It's going. Please, if I could, buyers, both of you, bidder number 8. Bidder number 8. Can I please ask, don't delay your bids for 3 minutes, because I will knock the property down on the third call from here. Whether or not I've got your bid, or whether or not you've communicated out in the text box, I'm not going to wait 3 minutes between $1,000 bids or $2,000 bids. I can't be clearer than that. Please accept that now and communicate with us as we go. Bill, the same bidder number one. There's the bid at 1,402,000. Where do we go from here? Do we go to 405? It's at 3. 3 and straight back in. Bidder number 8. What do we say from here? 403. Do we go to 404 or 405? Need to know now, bidder number 8. I said I wouldn't wait 3 minutes. What do we say? Are we done? 1,403,000. 403, the number to beat, and away we go to sell at 1,403,000. Your bid number 1. Against you, number 8. Are we done? Are we finished? Are we sold? If we were on site, you'd give me your instructions much quicker than even 1 minute. I've been very fair, and along the way, buyers, we sell at 1,403,000. It's 405 now. Bidder number 1, straight back. What do we say? I'd go to 10. At 405 is the number. 405 it is. Do we go 10 from here? At 405 it is. I'd go 10. At 405, I'd go 10 from here. What do we say? Bidder number 1. At 405 it is. At 405, bidder number 8, your bid at 405. At 405, where do we go? At 405, at 6. At 6 it is. Do we go to 8? What do we say? At 406 is the offer. At 406 it is. I think this is the way to buy real estate. Assert your dominance. I'd be just yelling out those bids frantically at this point in time if I wanted to buy this property. At 1,406 it is. At 406 it is. Your bid now at 1,406, bidder number 1. At 406, what do we say from here? Bidder number 8. At 406, do we go 408? At 1,406, do we go 408? Or maybe we go straight to 410. At 406 is the bid at 1,406. At 1,406 now, 1,406. At 1,406, what do we say from here? Bidder number 8, are you out? Type it into the text box. Give me a bit of a hand here. What do you say? 1,406. At 1,406 it is. 1,406 is the call at 1,406. 1,406. What do we say from here? Bidder number 8. Are we done? We sell away then if there is no higher bid at 1,406. 1,406, paddle number 1. First call then, we sell away at 1,406. Twice then, here we go. Buy. $1,406,000. Are we done? Are we finished? Are we silent? On the second call, Chen, what do we say? 408, straight in at 10. Bill, what do we say? 408's the bid. 408's the number. At 408 it is. At 408, 1,408. Do we go 10 from here at 1,408? At 1,408's the call. At 1,408, 10 it is. 1,410. At 1,410, thank you for your prompt bidding, Bill. At 1,410, bidder number 1, your bid at 1,410. At 1,410's the call now at 1,410. Where do we go from here? Chen, what are we doing? At 1,410, do we go to 12 or maybe 15 or 20 if you like? At 1,410's the call at 1,410. At 1,410, what do we say from here? Bidder number 8, 1,410. 1,400,000 from here, buyers at 1,410. 1,410,000, bidder number 8. What do we say? It's not your bid, it's number 1. $1,410,000 bid here. We sell if there is no higher bid. 1,410,000. Need to know now, we're approaching 2 minutes. Bidder number 8, Chen, since we've heard from you. We are now almost at the 2-minute mark since we've heard from you. We can't wait around any longer than this, buyers. We say 1,410,000. At 1,410,000, we're selling now. It's going, buyers. Are we done? 1,410,000. Are we done? Finished and silent. Over 2 minutes since we've heard from our last bidder. We're done, finished. We're selling. First call, second, third and final call. No further rise. Need to know now. Paddle number 8, are you out? I'm going to sense that there'll be a bid that'll come in after I've knocked it down. Thank you. We're selling. It is sold. Congratulations. And well purchased today. What a great auction result for our owners. For Ben and Ryan, our marketing agents, what a sterling job from them. For the underbidders, commiserations. Thank you for attending another successful Ray-wide auction. Buyers and our bidder number one, congratulations to you. 1,410,000 was the price that you purchased today. 482 Neerim Road in Murrumbeena, buyers. Great opportunity as an investment. $73,600 in rent going to you, Bill. Number one, what a great opportunity. We will, and thank you, Anand, and thank you for your bidding along the way as well. We hope to see you somewhere in your property travels as the future unfolds. Thank you for attending our auction platform. A great way to buy real estate from the comfort of your home or your car. Buyers, thank you. We're going to send those contracts over, bidder number one. To our vendors, thank you for appointing Ray White Commercial Glen Waverley. It's been our pleasure to host you today. What a great auction result for all involved. Thank you. My name's Damien, and I look forward to seeing you next time we auction a property near you.